welcome back to another video for today. For today, we're gonna make another video. MM2 naman tayo. This is the second day. Hala! Start na pala. By the way. And yeah, pag tayo namatay dito. Yay. Takot na silang dalawa! My god. Sobrang loading niya. By the way, let's copying this. Manood tayo. Isa na lang, ate. By the way, kailangan natin mag-picture. Wait lang. Yan. Wait, almost. Wait lang. Titingnan natin yung ating gallery. Wait. Titingnan ko kung magaling ako dito. Sino ba Mord? Ang gulo. Lo! Oh my god! Lasing natin mamaya. So by the way, may papata ko sa inyo. Yeah, this is me. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, that's me, guys. Aww, so happy. Okay guys, tapos na natin. Hindi natin siya. Guys, okay. Hey guys, tapos na siya. So this is the concept. So cute. Uh-oh. God, ang GG nila. So, by the way, lilipat tayo ng server, guys. Wait lang. Left tayo. Ano? So, yun lang, guys, today. Bye-bye!